Hello everyone, myself Chintan Upadhyay. Students, today we are going to learn new topic of class 4th English. So the name of the chapter is The Elephant and the Dog. The Elephant and the Dog. Okay. Students, do you know that the most common pet animal is the first and foremost name come to our mind is the dog. We kept dog as our favorite common pet animal. Okay. So students, we are going to learn the new chapter and the name of the chapter is the elephant and the dog. In this chapter we'll come to learn about the elephant as well as the dog as they are friends. Okay. Now I am reading and explaining the chapter from book. Okay. So on page number 11, see, once upon a time, a dog used to go into the stable where the king's elephant lived. Once upon a time, there was one dog who used to go into the stable. Now students, the word stable means it's a shelter or it's a building for animals where they live, like horse, elephants or cattle. So stable is a shelter, we can say that a shelter for animals where they live. That is, who lives in stable? Let's say horses, or say horse, elephant and cattle. It is already given on page number 11 of your textbook of class 4th. Okay. So once upon a time, a dog used to go into the stable where the king's elephant lived. King's elephant. There was one king who kept elephant as a pet. Who kept elephant as a pet? Who? King. Yes. So, dog used to go to the stable every day. Then, over the time, they became great friends and did everything together. And from that day onwards, as and when the dog went every day to the stable, then at that point of time, elephant and dog, they become very good friends. And they did everything together. Now, one day, a farmer saw the dog and said to the elephant keeper. Now, students, one day a farmer went to the elephant keeper. One day a farmer saw a dog nearby elephant and went to elephant keeper. That means a person. Elephant keeper means a person who takes care of elephant is known as elephant keeper. Yes. So farmer went to elephant keeper and he saw a dog and said to the elephant keeper that I want to buy that dog. How much do you want for him? I want to buy this dog as my pet animal. So can you tell me that how much I paid for this dog then? Elephant keeper replied that I don't care much for the dog. you can just take him away. I don't want any money from you. If you want this dog, then you just take it with you. Now from today onwards, this dog is yours. I don't want this. Then the king's elephant missed the dog. Now see, elephant and dog, they both were good friends. So as and when the farmer took the dog with him, from that day onwards, elephant became alone and missed the dog. The elephant refuses to eat or bath. It's been days, means last 2-3 days, elephant become alone, and from that day onwards, elephant refuses to eat and bath. Why? Because they were two good friends. So due to this, he became very alone. Now, one day, all the courtiers gathered in king's court. The king was informed about the elephant's condition. Now see, students, king was informed about elephant condition. What was the condition of elephant? Now, the condition of elephant, we know that elephant refuses to eat and bath. So the condition of elephant is refuses to eat and bath. So this condition means the condition of elephant. The courtiers informed to the king, and king sent the chief minister to find out what was wrong with the elephant. Now what happened is, the king sent chief minister of his kingdom to elephant to find out what was wrong with the elephant, why he is refused to eat and bath. The students' reason we know, that he missed the dog. One of his best friend is dog. Now chief minister went to elephant keeper to find out what was wrong with the elephant. Now the chief minister went to the stable and looked the elephant all over. Now what the chief minister did is, now he looked to the elephant all over. He looks very fine. Now nothing seems to be wrong with him, but he looks so sad. He lost a playmate. Now chief minister observed that though the elephant looks very fine, but he becomes very sad. I think, as per the chief minister, I think he missed one of his good friend, that is dog. Now elephant keeper replied, yes, there was a dog who ate and slept with him. It went away 3 days ago. I don't know where he went. Now see, then elephant keeper replied that yes, he is sad because he missed his friend dog. So for that, he refuses to eat and bath. And elephant keeper replied that I also don't know where the dog is. I don't know. Then at the king's courtyard, chief minister told that, very well, send word all over the country asking The man who bought the dog to set him loose, I will pay him back as much as he paid. Now, king told to the chief minister that he declared that I am ready to pay as much as he wants, but find that farmer who took the dog with him. Who find the farmer who took dog with him, and I am ready to pay as much as he wants. King declared this thing. Then the elephant is not sick, but he is lonely without his friend the dog. This thing we know. Then when the farmer heard this, as and when the king declared this thing, the farmer heard about this thing, that elephant becomes very lonely and sad, and he refuses to eat and bath. At that point of time, farmer turned the dog loose immediately. That means he freed the dog and set him to go to the stable to meet his friend elephant. Now then dog ran back as fast as he could, and then at the royal stable the elephant was so glad to see the dog that he picked the dog up and put him on his head. And at that point of time, when the elephant and the dog, they were good friends, while seeing the dog, elephant becomes very happy and picked the dog and set him on the back of his own. Now and then after, elephant and dog, they lived very happily forever and ever. Okay, so students, over here the chapter ends, the explanation of chapter ends. Now on page number 13 of your textbook, there are questions as well as fill in the blanks. Now after explanation of chapter, we have to complete this question answer as well as fill in the blanks. So students, you have to, homework for you is homework for you is read and write question and answer. Number 2, new words which is given already in your textbook. Point number 3, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. I know students, you face certain kind of doubts in this. So first you write these question answers, then I am ready to solve all these doubts. It is already given on page number 13 of your textbook. Page number 13 of your textbook. Now, please note down this question answer, new words, fill in the blanks in your notebook, and then give the heading, put the date, and then write the question answer with fill in the blanks and exercise. Thank you students. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.